performance test. Good day everyone. So for my performance test, I choose washing machine as my device. So I will discuss the definition, classification, process, mechanism, analysis, and synthesis. So let's go!
So we have here first the definition. So a washing machine is a common home appliances used for cleaning clothes, towels, and sheet automatically and manually. It can be found in homes, dorms, and laundry shop where people need to wash dirty clothes easily. Unlike traditional hand washing, it does not need hard scrubbing or heavy manual labor to remove dirt and stain. Its simple and efficient design makes doing laundry much faster, making it an important appliance for everyday life. So for the second one is the description of a process. So we have two types of washing machine, automatic and manual. So for the automatic, first step is you have to plug the machine into the power outlet to give it power. Second is put your clothes inside the drum and add soap. And third, select your wash setting and press the start button. And fourth is the machine will automatically wash, rise, and spin the clothes. So for the manual is plug the machine into the power outlet to give it power. Manually fill the wash tub with water and add soap. Put the clothes inside and set the wash timer. After washing, drain the water and transfer the clothes to the spin dryer.
So since we have a manual machine, I will show you how to use the manual machine.
As you can see here, this is the settings of a washing machine. We have the timer of how many minutes you want to wash your clothes, the drain, and the spin dryer. So first is of course plug the machine into the power outlet to give it power. Second is manually fill the wash tub with water. And after putting the water, add soap on the tub. After putting the soap in the tub, you can choose your desired time to wash your clothes depending on how heavy or dirty the cloth is. Put the clothes in the tub. After that, drain the washing machine. After draining the washing machine, put the clothes in the spin dryer to let it dry. After the dry ends, you can sampay-sampay it to the sampayan. The next one here is we have the description of a device mechanism. First is we have the control panel, which is the buttons or knob used to choose settings, timer, and water level. Second is the inner drum, the large tub inside that holds the clothes while washing and spinning. Third is the agitator or pulsator, the rotating part of the bottom that moves the clothes to clean off dirt. The water inlet valve, it connects to the water hose and controls the water flowing into the tub. Next is drain hose. It releases dirty water out of machine after each wash. And next we have here a motor. This is where the powers the drum and agitator so they can turn and spin fast. And last is the outer cabinet, the outer plastic or metal body that holds and protects all internal parts. So for classification here is we have a top load washing machine. Loads are placed through a door on top. It is cheaper, easier to load without bending, and let you add clothes during the cycle. Front load washing machine, clothes are placed through a door on the front. It uses less water, is more energy efficient, and is gentler on the delicate fabric. By operation type here is we have the manual and semi-automatic. Uses two separate tabs, requires user to manually move clothes and control the water filling. Fully automatic is uses one single tab to wash, rise, and spin dry automatically with one touch of a button. Here, the analysis. The washing machine depends on a mechanical cleaning cycle. It utilizes key components like the motor, pulsator or agitator, inner drum, water inlet valve, and drain hose. It cleans clothes by mixing water and detergent, spinning the drum to loosen dirt, and draining dirty water to rise and dry the fabric. So for the advantage of washing machine is to saving time, energy, and physical labor when doing laundry. It allows user to clean large loads of clothes quickly. For the disadvantage is, it requires electricity, water supply, and periodic maintenance to function properly. So for the last one here is we have the synthesis. The washing machine uses a combined water management and mechanical agitation system by unifying water filling, time washing cycle, rising and spin drying together with automatic controls and safety leads. It achieves efficient cleaning, water saving, and convenient laundry care for everybody home use. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you!